So in this video, I'm going to show you how to give intramuscular injection. You assemble your syringe and your ampoule bottle. But before then, you want to check if they have expired, if the syringe has expired, the injection you want to administer, this ampoule bottle, if it has expired. So you check and you make sure you open from these dotted spots. Okay, so that's it. But some ampoule bottles, though, they are very hard to open, so you may want to break it with a Chittle faucet. So you aspirate your medication, after which you quickly recap your needle. So this is the recapping while you take it to the patient's bedside. Okay, so this is just a quick tutorial. Now this is assumed to be a human female. Okay, this is a male buttock actually. So before then, you want to make a cross sign, okay, from top to bottom, and make sure you administer at the upper outer quadrant. This is the left buttock. Okay, so it is the upper outer quadrant. The reason why is because there are no much nerve endings there. I mean, sciatic nerve. But in this video, if you watch carefully, you will see there was no aspiration. Okay, so I did a quick video, which means before you open this syringe, you have to start from the top to the bottom. You see it, this is from top to bottom, ensuring that the tip of this syringe doesn't touch the paper because it could get contaminated. So quickly you recap, after which then you get or look for your ampoule bottle and aspirate the medication. So quickly, after making the first cross sign on the buttock, again you are meant to make another quick cross sign. The reason why is because you really need to be away from the sciatic nerve. So after which you make a dotted sign on the buttock, which means that is the spot where you are going to administer that medication. So there is two differences here, or there are two differences here as the case may be. So if you are giving on the right side, you have to differentiate carefully from the sciatic nerve endings. Okay, so after that is being done, you get your medication closer to you. All your equipment and instruments, they all come closer to you. Now there is something health practitioners don't do. Before they administer medication, they just rush straight to inject, not knowing that there is a way they are to place that needle that will make that patient not to feel any pain. And that is placing that needle in a slanty position, because when you place it in a slanty position, it will pass in between nerve fibers or nerve fiber endings, so that it will not cause pain on the patient. So if you watch carefully, there was aspiration here. Aspiration is just like drawing back, like you can see. So this is drawing back. So you draw back so that you make sure that there is no blood. You are not on any blood or arterial vessels. With that being said, I hope you like this video, you enjoy it. Subscribe, hit the like button. I will see you on the other side of the lecture.